Hello everyone, and we are grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here walking around a 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment below what you think of our Ram Laramie. Also, don't forget to smash the bell so that you get notifications of our new inventory and our walkarounds as they're made. We do these walkarounds to be transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those, plus everything else that we offer, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the Laramie running. So let's go ahead and start the walkaround, shall we? Okay, as we walk around the Ram, right here, as you can see, great tread on the tires. There are some chips that you would not see in the photos, so I want to make sure we point out what you aren't going to be able to see. Here you go. They're all very minor, using my finger as a point of reference. As you can see, there's no dings or dents. The passenger side, the finish is in good shape. Tailgate's the same. On this side of the truck, however, it's very hard to see, but there is a ding here, just as you're looking over the fender flare. Other than that, the driver's side is also clean of heavy scratches or dents. The roof looks great. Has 27,000 miles on it. Full-size truck is what you're looking for. You might want to consider this one. Okay, to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, the side of the visors and the headliner, which is in outstanding condition. Does not smell like a smoker's vehicle. Top of the dash. Make sure you stay tuned so you can hear the engine running on this in just a few seconds after this part of the video is over. But if you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition or financing options, perhaps some shipping quotes, just give us a call at the number located at the top of your screen. Thanks again for joining us.